I'm keeping the camera in a very weird angle, so I hope आपको बुरा ना लगे. But so this video is basically it is about the second service of my Hornet, that is the Scorpio N White Z2. I've completed approximately 9,098 kilometers in a matter of 11 months, or it has been one of the best 11 months for me. I really love the car. Almost zero niggles, कोई issues as such मैंने नहीं देखा कार में. Why I took the car for service is एक तो उसका second service would have been due in January. I wanted to make sure that everything is fine. Normally मैं service अपने जितने भी cars का service मैं I do it before time so that कुछ अगर problem आने वाली है कार में तो जल्दी fix हो जाए, उसी time पता लग जाए. Now coming to the service, so second service is due for at around 1 year if you complete around 1 year, or 10,000 kilometers, whichever comes before. So in my case it was both are coming, so January 13th ko it will complete 1 year, and 9,000 ho chuka hai, so I think by next month 10,000 bhi ho jayega kilometers. So anyway, so how was my experience? What all happened? I'm sure जितने भी Scorpion owners हैं, they might be curious to know कि क्या होता है second service में, और क्या क्या costing रहती है, क्या experience है, कौन सा. I live in Hyderabad, so which is the best service center in Hyderabad. So all these things, I'll just give you a short overview of that. So first thing, coming to which service center I've been to. So there is a service center called Mahindra Neon Motors in Sanat Nagar. So Sanat Nagar is very close to Kukatpalli. So anyone who is nearby Kukatpalli, Musapet, Amirpet, they can all go to Sanat Nagar. It's a very big workshop, और काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा रहा है क्योंकि I bought the car from Neon Motors only showroom. And सर्विस भी मैंने उनसे फर्स्ट सर्विस भी उनसे कराई. आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी, एंड द सेकेंड सर्विस ऑल्सो आई वॉन्टेड टू डू विद देम. सो I took an appointment on 26th morning. They were very gracefully, they invited me, and काफ़ी अच्छा the service supervisor, he was very nicely explained to me क्या होने वाला है, क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं, कार में कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है. सो बेसिकली सेकेंड सर्विस में क्या होता है, व्हील अलाइनमेंट, व्हील बैलेंसिंग, एंड इफ रिक्वायर्ड व्हील रोटेशन होगा. लेबर इज फ्री. सेकेंड थिंग इज इंजन ऑयल, एयर फिल्टर, ऑयल फिल्टर, AC filter. So all these things will be changed. And third is I think they are adding some additives for cleaning of the head or something. So I think spark plugs भी clean होते हैं. अभी मुझे exactly पता नहीं, but I'll just check out the complete billing. Billing I'll also share with you at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. And I think that washing होगा, interior cleaning, washing, these are all part of the job. And they will be also checking for any rattle, squeaks, nut bolts सारे tight हैं, ये सारे चीज़ें चेक होती हैं. So they did a very good job. Now प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है? प्रॉब्लम यह है कि आई एम ओनिंग अ Z2 मॉडल. सो Z2 मॉडल में आई शो यू द पिक्स. Z2 में एक्चुअली Z2, Z4, Z6 में फॉग लैम्प्स नहीं आते. सो what I wanted to do is I wanted to install fog lamps. Fog lamps में क्या है कि I'll show you the photo. Fog lamps में एक तो fog lamps हैं और उसके पास में DRL भी होते हैं. So I inquired about it and they were very happy to confirm कि हाँ fog lamps है and we can install it on the same day. मतलब थोड़ा time ज़्यादा लगेगा but we can install it on the same day. I was very happy. So the approximate quote that they gave me for fog lamps is around 25,000 so it is a very big thing. मतलब काफ़ी बड़ा DRL भी है उसमें, fog lamp भी है और उसमें front parking sensors भी है. So it is it's a very good addition to the car so that it is safe all the time. The DRLs are safe because daytime night time में car is more visible because of that. Give me a time of around 7 p.m. I went at around 10 a.m. and 7 p.m. का time दिया and I was okay. I came back home. I was waiting for the call from the service advisor. So बीच में around 4 or 5 I got a call stating that the fog lamps that they are installing, the wiring for that is only for Z4 or above. So Z4 Z6 के लिए basically वो Z8 Select and Z8 Luxury में वो ऑलरेडी आता है, इन कंपनी बिल्ट आता है, कंपनी से फैक्ट्री फिटेड आता है. तो Z2 Z4 और Z6 में नहीं आता, बट Z2 अपेरेंटली Z2 और Z4 का जो वायरिंग है वो डिफरेंट है. सो Z4 का और Z6 का वायरिंग सेम है, Z2 का वायरिंग डिफरेंट है. सो Z2 का वायरिंग जो है दे डू नॉट हैव. सो दे सेड दैट सर वी कैन डू वन थिंग, आप इंस्टॉल करवा लीजिए और जो वायरिंग है आप विल कम होम एंड विल इंस्टॉल इट लेटर ऑन, जब भी उनको पार्ट अवेलेबल है. तो मैं बोला ठीक है, दैट्स फाइन, गो हेड. सो दे वेंट अहेड विद दैट. आई डोंट नो, दे वर ट्राइंग टू समहाउ फिक्स इट और क्या था. सो आई वेंट टू take the delivery of the car after the service. I was very happy. काफ़ी neat थी कार, and because of the fog lamp काफ़ी delay हो गया था and everyone stayed back only for my car. So I was very very obliged कि everyone, the service advisor, their manager, all the people who were washing. So fog lamps के चक्कर में they had to open the whole front bumper. वो bumper खोलने के चक्कर में बहुत time चला गया and they could not wash the car. So washing was pending and they did it in front of me, washing at around 8 o'clock at night. So it's very commendable by Mahindra. Hats off to them कि उन्होंने एक कस्टमर के लिए भी, बिकॉज मुझे कार उसी दिन चाहिए था, उन्होंने उस दिन भी रखा उनके पास. लाइक दे फुलफिल देयर प्रॉमिस कि कार हम आज ही आपको दे देंगे. सो आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट. Unfortunately, as soon as I got the gate pass and I started moving, I saw that the touch screen is not working. So right there and then I contacted the service manager, and of course it was around 8:30 at night. Everyone had packed their bags. So I said that okay fine, I just wanted to inform you कि नहीं चल रहा है, मेरा touch screen on नहीं हो रहा है. But you can do it tomorrow also, no worries. So they were very nice to say that sir आप बिल्कुल चिंता मत करो, सुबह first thing in the morning we will send a technician to your house. You don't even have to come here. We'll send a technician to your house and you can get the service. We'll check what is the problem. So I was okay fine. Stereo नहीं है, एक दिन दो दिन चला सकते हैं गाड़ी बिना उसके भी. So finally what happened was, next day happened, and next day I surely got a call from the service manager. They were very punctual and I had to take the car out, तो नहीं हो पाया वो उस दिन. So anyway फिर एक दिन और निकल गया और फिर उसके next day we went back to the service station. I took the car, so I wanted to see what was happening. So I took the car and they did not do any long formalities की एंट्री करो एग्जिट करो जो भी है. दे जस्ट सेड कि सर यू प्लीज यू कैन सिट इन द कस्टमर लॉन्ज. वी आर कस्टमर लॉन्ज के बगल में कार उन्होंने खड़ी करके वहीं पे दे गॉट द एक्सेसरीज गए, दे चेक्ड कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है. सो फाइनली वी गॉट टू नो दैट द फ्यूज उड़ गया उसका. So fuse was very easy to replace, and the accessory staff was also very good. They did the job very fast. I think half an hour में काम हो गया and I was free by around 1 hour. So again, hats off to the Mahindra guys. Another thing was all the Mahindra accessory guys were checking the stereo. Once the stereo was on, they were all surprised कि Z2 में ये कौन सा आपने stereo डलवाया है. So I was like नहीं भैया ये company fitted आता है. I just changed the software. So the software I changed. So I'll just put a link on top right for how you can change the look of your Z2 car stereo, and it looks really nice with the theme and the the usability of Android Auto wired, of course. But Z2 में normally ये नहीं आता है, so everyone was amazed and everyone wanted to know कैसे करते. So I shared my video of doing that. Or Z2 customers are very very unlucky to get us 9-inch stereo, but they can't use Google Map or anything. But now we can, so that is good. So cost, कितना cost आया? I was expecting around 5,000 to 6,000. I would agree कि cost थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा आया जितना मैंने expect किया था. The costing was around 8,000 something. I'll give you the final pricing on the screen. And the service quality, I would say it was top notch. I have had other brands of cars like Hyundai, Maruti, Toyota, Tata. So I would say Mahindra comes in one of the best. I would say till now, first service, second service, I was very happy with their. They always communicate. They always tell you क्या हो रहा है, क्या चल रहा है. आपको जो information चाहिए, they will give. Part है तो बताएंगे है, part नहीं है तो बोलेंगे नहीं है. So there is no beating around the bush, or even the costing also they gave me approximate cost कितना होगा. So with taxes and all that. So taxes थोड़ा ज़्यादा था. So that's why it took the cost to 8,000. So anyway, not bad for a second service. I'm happy with the car's performance also. I think the car is more silent now. And I don't know, कोई squeaks तो ऐसे था नहीं. So one major issue that I had was the car around, if it goes at around 100 kilometers per hour, so there was a very weird sound coming from the engine bay. So if I accelerate slowly, the sound will increase. Around 100. Around 100, the sound will increase. So I was very finicky on that, and it is very hard to reproduce that because 100 kilometers per hour city में जाना मुश्किल है. So only highway में पता लगता है कि ऐसा issue आ रहा है. So anyway, so वो अभी वो वाला जो issue है, that is still unknown because I have not taken the car to the highway. But around 100 में आता था. So they have said कि वो fix कर दिया है. कुछ I think loose connection था किसी part का जो vibrate कर रहा था engine से. So that they have fixed. So I'm hoping it has been fixed and I don't have to go to Mahindra again. So but all in all, very happy. And I hope that this video helps you, for anyone who is going for the second service of the Scorpio N. Alright, so with that I would end the video, and thank you for watching, and stay blessed.